Are you feeling overwhelmed? Stop everything for the next few minutes and learn 3 simple DIY techniques to beat stress today. No fancy tools, just results. We all deal with stress, whether it's work, school, or everyday life. But the good news is, you don't have to let stress take control. Today, I'm sharing 3 simple DIY techniques that can help you calm down and feel better in no time. These techniques are easy to do, require no special equipment, and can be done anywhere. Let's dive right in. The first technique is deep breathing. Breathing deeply helps activate your body's relaxation response, lowering your heart rate and calming your mind. To start, inhale slowly through your nose, hold for a few seconds, then exhale slowly. Repeat this for a few minutes and feel the tension melt away. You can do this anytime, whether you're at your desk or sitting in traffic. Next up is progressive muscle relaxation. This technique involves tensing and relaxing different muscle groups in your body to release physical stress. Start by tightening the muscles in your feet, holding for a few seconds, and then releasing. Move up to your calves, thighs, and so on, all the way to your neck and face. This helps release the built-up tension in your muscles and calms your nervous system. Lastly, let's talk about guided visualization. This is a simple and effective way to relax your mind. Close your eyes and imagine a peaceful place. Whether it's a beach, forest, or any place that makes you feel calm. Focus on the details, what you see, hear, and feel. Imagine yourself there for a few minutes and let that peaceful energy fill you up. There you have it, 3 simple DIY techniques that can help you beat stress anytime, anywhere. Practice these regularly to stay calm and grounded, no matter what life throws your way. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stress-busting techniques. Stay stress-free and keep thriving.